This is the 2015 Le Chemin de Mériloup from Jean-Paul Picardy Fils from Sancerre in the Loire Valley of France. The classic home of Sauvignon Blanc is in the Upper Loire Valley in central France. And so while there's excellent versions of Sauvignon Blanc wine being made internationally, think New Zealand or Napa, all roads really lead back to Sancerre and Pouilly-Fumé in France. They give the crispest, most concentrated, and most minerally driven and nuanced versions of this internationally loved white wine. This is a really hallmark version of Loire Valley Sauvignon Blanc. It's mineral driven, but it's got really great citrus fruits, lime, lemon, grapefruit, and you're getting some really interesting herbal notes of wild grasses and sweet herbs, mixing with a little bit of floral notes as well. That's all in a really vibrant, acidic profile, but that's fleshed out really nicely with a fuller body. It's beautifully balanced. There's a nice, crisp, clean finish, so it's a nice, refreshing spring and summer sipper. The Picard family's been producing Sauvignon Blanc in Sancerre for over 200 years. There's a lot of history and provenance in this wine, and it's a really excellent way to get to know Sauvignon Blanc, understand its history, and see where it's done best. Cheers.